We are installing the App2CAR video streaming onto a Mercedes-Benz A45 2020. Very simply, you just plug into the USB-C port, USB Type-C port. As you know, these cars, the new Mercs, they only have USB Type-C ports, so I'm not sure if you can see it there. Yep. And you just plug in and the unit's going to be installed. It give you the warning, don't watch videos while you drive. And what you do next is just go into settings, and then you connect your wireless LAN with it's already connected with your mobile phone. You hotspot it, and then you can watch movies, Amazon Prime. You can watch Netflix. Netflix comes already installed. You can watch YouTube videos, and also you can install any app from the Google Play Store. So here's Netflix. Installing your I'm already signed in on the Netflix account, so it's gonna show you the Netflix movies you have in your account, and from there you can just simply play a movie and up you go. You can drive while watching movies, but of course we don't recommend that. I just click play, and it's gonna start loading the movie. And yeah, there we go, it's loading the movie. And of course you can use your steering wheel controls to set the volume up and down. And there we go. To go back to the main screen is this one. And as I told you before, you can also install any apps from the Google Play Store. If you go here and you log into your Google Play Store, you can install any app. Plus, this car allows you to watch videos from a USB stick. This product. If you go here, you will be able to watch videos that you have on a USB stick, installing in the USB port of the App2CAR here. Thank you very much. If you want to know more about App2CAR, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.